Time for a new plot. We're going to look at heat maps, which I just think are really cool. So how do we do a heat map? Well, you want to decide what you want to do the heat map of, and correlations is actually really cool. So we're going to use correlations. Now, this data set is not all numerical. Okay, so if we look at df.info, you can see we have these objects. And so for a correlation heat map, you only want to include the numerical columns. So here's code to do that. So we could call it like CORR, short for correlation, and df. Now we can select the D types, the data types. See how these are called D types? So we can select D types, and in quotes, we can choose number, okay? Now what this does is it should reduce the data frame to the numerical columns, okay? But what we want are the correlation of those columns. And so that's method.core. And this should not throw an error. Let me show you kind of what I mean here. So if we do it like this, let's see what we get. We get a beautiful sort of bunch of correlations, right? This is great. But if I just tried like df.core, and so the correlations of the whole data frame, you get an error because it can't convert the other columns. Okay, so this is what we use. We're calling this the correlations. And then we're going to plot these as a heat map to make it look really nice visually. So it's a Seaborn plot, SNS.heatmap, right? And then we're putting the correlation in there, okay? And then let's just do the baseline, then we'll make some adjustments, okay? Sometimes these look unwieldy and not good the first time you construct them. And actually, this isn't bad, okay? This is not bad at all. It's better than honestly I expected. So we have a heat map, and we can definitely work to make it a little better.